Hi, I'm Judit Ronai. I'm an intuitive spiritual advisor. I'm always telling my clients, you cannot afford not to meditate. But meditation actually is a little bit overrated. The way how they talk about it, like you have to calm your mind, and it's just so mystified. Like it's make it so like might is hard to do. Some of my clients has already tried the meditation. Oh, I cannot sit still. I cannot do this. I cannot do that. I'm always telling them, hey, give yourself a little time and just think about it. When you go to sleep and you're craving to have a good night's sleep, your body is needed, right? You go there, you lay down and you're doing your evening ritual, so you know, I'm going to sleep now, I'm tired. You're excited about it, right? Or when you prepare a good meal, like all the senses, fragrances, and the deliciousness of the new meal. It's the same thing about meditation. If you create a spot, create your senses excited about it, and you learn the benefit of it, you're going to love it. Like, trust me, you're going to love it. So let's call the meditation like time for myself, recharging my battery, or whatever way you say, like, this is for me, it's important and I like it, I'm going to enjoy it. So first and most, I recommend create a spot. Create a place in your house when it's about meditation. A nice chair, a comfortable chair. Put the pillow there you like, or the blanket you like to cover yourself. Put something pretty around it. When you look up like it's so pretty, like flower or stones, and even you can meditate with your crystals. Make your senses celebrate the moment. I am going to do some time when I am going to feel amazing about it. So be gentle with yourself. So after when you get your place, this is my place, wow, I like it, put a couple of other senses. You can use essential oils, fragrance. So per se for me, when I want to calm myself, I use lavender. When I'm looking for channeling, like new information, or manifesting something, I use jasmine. It makes me happy. It's already like feeling like, this is going to be amazing. Light is good to be out, like a little bit, like kind of dimmed. So you can use a pretty nightstand light where you can dim it, or candle. Or you can use eye mask, what is blocks out all the light. Whatever way you experience and you said like, this is feels good. So give yourself all these things. So choose your meditation, what helps you to really do it like regularly. So for me per se, like the relax light is calming my meditation, and I tried so many different kinds. You can find Mind Valley, like you can find David G, Ziva, Dr. Joe Dispenza, so many out there, whatever you like. But the importance is set a time. This is the time when I'm going to have for myself 15, 20, 30 minutes, even an hour or even more. Whatever you set, make that slight discipline. I'm staying. Okay, body, you stay. Remember when your mom said when you were a child, do the afternoon nap and you couldn't sleep, but you still stay in that time frame in your bed and you had the rest. So that's the whole idea. If you cannot do this meditation at the beginning, all of it, change it to a calming music. Work with yourself how you can get yourself into the practice. It's the same thing we do anything else. So make yourself this delicious gift to calm yourself, create a discipline, enjoy this time, and see how it's going to turn out, because I trust this. Scientifically already proven, meditation is good for the physical body because it creates a better hormonal, chemical balance. I'm not a scientist, but I heard this, I feel this, I trust this, it's happened. And your brain is getting calmer, like all this like bzzz, it calms down. And when you're done with the meditation, and after per se you're cooking your meal or you go to sleep, it's going to be a much more delicious sleep or a much more delicious meal, because the agitated stressful time of your day is being balanced. Try to make yourself and give this gift, because meditation is going to help you to have a better life, and this is what we all deserve, have a better life. So create it, do your best to put what you can put it, and when your energy is grows, trust me, better energy comes. So the giving receiving is going to be a much healthier, much higher vibration, and that's what we all want. So do your best, make this happen, practice it at least weeks, and trust me, your body going to crave it. Per se, I'm not meditating a day or two, I craving it. Is like, why is so funny? Oh, I haven't meditated, like, okay, no, I'm doing this. And after, like, oh, thank God, I'm so happy I did it. And at the end of the day, that's what is count. Enjoy to be you, and you can do it. That's for sure, like anything else. And you're gonna find it's a delicious time what you can give to yourself. So enjoy it.